Good morning. Myself Sushant and my batchmate Wasim Raja. We are from Realtech High Tech Engineering College, Avadi. Our project is on a self-configurable new generation children tracking system using Android mobile terminals. We are students of Information Technology 2009-2013 batch. I hereby also thank my project guide Mr. Vel Murugan and also our department HOD Mrs. Chandravati for their support throughout the completion of the project. This is our overall system architecture. Whenever any action such as incoming call, outgoing call or messaging takes place from child's mobile phone, the same information goes to the parent mobile phone as an SMS alert. Also, this all goes to a centralized server simultaneously. So whenever parents need to check out the details, they can log into the server and see their children's activities, day-to-day activities. Now let us see the project demo. We are here by using 32-bit Android, so by which our project runs. So we are now getting into Eclipse. Eclipse is a software, as you all know, and we are just opening the Eclipse. Now it is getting installed in the system. Here first we should switch on the server. So hereby opening the child protest, the name of the project. I'm just going into this child protest system to run my server. Wherein to run the server, it is asking me the necessary details. Now the server has been started. As you see on the screen. Now next we got to go to the child protest system to run the application on the mobile phone. So this is the mobile phone, child mobile phone, and it has been connected to the system. So already server is on now. So to run the Android application on the mobile phone, we are now doing this process. And here is the process. I'm into the child protest system, and I'm just clicking on the Android application. So it is launching. The application child protest system has been successfully launched on the child's mobile phone, which is connected to the system. So to check whether the application has been launched, we go into the settings and check for information. And here is the child protection system which has been launched successfully. And here we get the confirmation that the mobile phone has been launched with the CPS. Now this is after the successful launch of the CPS. This is just checking out whether the project is running. So as I said earlier, this is a child's mobile phone. Now the child is sending a message to someone. The next is the Android parent's mobile phone. This need not be an Android mobile phone. This is a normal mobile phone of the parent. It can be any mobile. And here when a child sends a message to a friend, message has been sent now. The message has been sent now by a child to his friend, and immediately the parent receives an SMS from the child's number, and in that we get the SMS to the mobile number to which the child has sent the message from number, that is the IMEI number of the child's mobile phone, and JGA, it is the content of the message. And this is enough that our project is running successfully. So the verification has been done by us, by the parent. So now I am just unplugging it, and this can be given to the child. So whenever he, whatever action, as I said earlier, whatever action happens, all the information goes to the parent as an SMS alert to his mobile phone. Now let us check with the call information. So this is an incoming call to the child mobile phone. The child, if he attends or if he not attends, whatever the action takes place, whatever it is, an SMS alert goes to the parent mobile phone. So this is the duration. The child speaks to the incoming call. He has cut the call now. So immediately the parent receives the number from which the call has come, along with the time and date, everything. With the help of this, even we can find the location of the child, as I said earlier, and all these information are also saved in the centralized server, so that the parent can log in later on and see the necessary details. And this is the codings of the program. Here, this is the number to which, this is the parent number, from the number which is given here and saved. Only to that number all the SMS alerts go from the child mobile phone. So these are all project coding. So this is our coding words, such as if it's a message, it will be one incoming call, one outgoing message, it will be come in as 2. If it's a missed call, it will be mentioned as 3, and so on, so on. So hence, this is our project, and we have just successfully finished our project with the help of our guide. We sincerely thank our project supervisor, Mr. Velmurugan, for his throughout support. Thank you.